Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video I will show you how to fix standby mode isn't working on iPhone in iOS 17. iOS 17 has introduced standby mode for iPhone users, but many iPhone users are reporting that it's not working after iOS 17 update. But now the standby mode only works with always on display supported device like iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 15 series. So now how to turn on always on display on iPhone? To do this, first of all go to settings, then in the settings tap on display and brightness. Then scrolling down and you will find always on display option. Tap on that. Then here simply turn toggle on next to always on display. So that's it. This is the solution. But if you are using lower model of iPhone and always on display feature isn't available and still you can use standby mode in any iPhone and you know the process, then please tell me in the comment section of this video. I'll definitely make the separate video for that. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.